Mastering English Idioms. Unlock the meaning of keep stum. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, the place where English learning becomes a piece of cake. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms and phrases, which can often seem puzzling. But fret not. We're going to unravel the meaning of a particularly intriguing phrase, keep stum. This might be your key to understanding English crime dramas or spy novels much better. So stick around to find out what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Now, keep stum is a phrase that is heavily steeped in secrecy and silence. The word stum is not common outside this phrase, and it might lead to some confusion. Stum originates from the German word stumm, meaning silent or mute. To keep stum essentially means to remain silent or not to divulge a secret. It's a directive that emphasizes the importance of not speaking about a specific topic or keeping information confidential. Understanding the context of an idiom can really help in getting the hang of it. Keep stum has its roots in the early 20th century, closely associated with the underworld and criminal activities where silence was golden and sometimes a matter of life and death. During wars, it was also popular in context with keeping sensitive information away from enemies, often used in the saying, "Loose lips sink ships." Knowing this background can help you appreciate its gravity and also understand why it's still used in contexts requiring secrecy. Let's get practical and talk about when you can use keep stum. It is perfect for situations where discretion is vital. For example, when someone is planning a surprise party, you might say, "We should all keep stum so we don't ruin the surprise." In a situation where sharing information could be detrimental, the boss said to keep stum about the upcoming layoffs. Remember, using keep stum is more common in British English than American English, where keep quiet or keep it under your hat might be more prevalent. It's time to put what we've learned into action. Try forming sentences with keep stum, or think about scenarios where this phrase would be apt. Practice with friends or even in your writing. The more you use it, the more natural it will become. There you have it, friends. Now you know all about the phrase, keep stum, and how to use it like a native. We hope this video illuminates the darker, more secretive corners of the English language for you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, keep stum about what you've learned today, or not, if you're keen to share our channel with friends. Until next time, goodbye, and happy learning!